everyone, welcome back to the channel for a very special Friday episode. This is the Floetrol Experience collaboration for the auction pieces that's going to be going on at the event in March. That's March 14th through the 16th. I will be teaching two classes. I'll be teaching the open cup pour and the chaos ribbon pour swipe. So if you want to take one of my classes, you can head over to the website and book them now. There's still space available. Also, just a couple of reminders. If you still are coming, and you can get your discount on the hotel if you put it in by February 13th. February 13th is the deadline to get that discount on the hotel. There's also tickets available for the evening reception and for the gala dinner. The gala dinner will be in buffet style with a cash bar, and you'll be able to ask questions of the artist teaching. Be very exciting. Please forgive me. I have been sick this entire week. I'm starting to feel like a human, but I am still under the weather. So I did get this piece painted a couple of weeks ago, but I'm just now getting around to getting everything edited. So do apologize for the nasalness. But anyways, let's get down on the canvas and get started. I'll be right back. All right, everyone. So I've got a 20 by 20 deep edge gallery wrap canvas. I am going to be doing a open cup pour on here. I might disrupt it. I might not. We'll see how it goes. I'm using a color that I had scraped off of my table, thinned it, strained it, and added a little Floetrol and water for consistency. So let me flood my canvas and then I will be back. What I'm gonna do is do a puddle of my base here. We're gonna sink our cup into it. Pour just a little bit more in there. My first color I'm gonna be using is Payne's Gray, Creative Inspirations. Gonna use some Greenish blue from Amsterdam. I got a little bit of a creamy color, like a white cream custom mix. Just a touch of gold. Gonna go with some red blue from Pebeo. And some turquoise green. So what happens is, as I pour the paint colors into the cup, they're pushing down below this base blue color. And then they rise up to the top, and that's what you're getting your little small cells. So when people ask me what is making the cells, is it oil, is it Australian Floetrol? It is not. It's just the density of the paint. You can also kind of torch, and that'll help bring up some of those cells as well. So I'm gonna put another little base over here. Gonna lift and twist my paint right over here to this corner. Then I'm gonna center the cup over here a little bit into the previous pour. All right, so for this one, I'm going to go with my phthalo blue, pouring up high. My turquoise green. A little bit of my gold. A touch of my white. Payne's gray. We'll throw some that red. And my last one I'm going to do is going to be over here. Payne's gray. Turquoise green. Phthalo blue. Gold. Some white. And the red. Just a touch of the bluish green. So I think what I'll do is come back out that way, and then I can figure out if I want to disrupt it. Gonna lift and twist. I don't think I'm going to disrupt. I think I'm going to stretch it out the way it is. I like what's happening with the swooshes and the own lines here. So let's start to close up the gaps here. Just do this, go on back. Come off this end over here. Then we can stretch it back. I'm gonna clean up the edges and then I can bring you guys down. But there is a lot happening in here. Look how the Artist Loft soft body white clouded up in this. So cool. You got big boulder cells. You can see every single color I used in here as well. Really happy with it. I love the negative space. Love this background color. So I'm gonna clean up my edges. I'll torch and I'll bring you guys in. Okay, here we are with the wet result. Look at the huge cloudy white cells. That Artist Loft, man, just pillowed up. Got great negative space. Look at that. Okay, we'll see this when it's dry. All right, everyone, so that's the piece, how it dried. I love the motion of this, great negative space. You get to see every color in here, which is fantastic. This will get about 3 coats of gloss varnish on this and be ready for the auction in March. All right, everyone, that's gonna do it. Thanks for tuning in and watching tonight. Everyone have a great rest of the weekend. Next up is Tara with Pieces of Tara Artistry. I'll see you over at her channel. Bye-bye.